Hi, everyone. We are Infinite Engineering. I'm the project manager, Brandon Cook.
I'm Maxwell Gams, the transportation engineer and CAD lead.
I'm Christina Pauls, the structural engineer.
I'm Hosan Abdi, the stormwater engineer, and I'll tell you a little bit about our project. The project's objective was to design a Class 1 bike path that will connect the main campus of SDSU to the Mission Valley campus to create a continuous path for non-motorized movement between the two campuses. Key elements of the project are the following: development of at least 3 unique concepts for path layout, identification of project constraints and/or fatal flaws of concepts, right-of-way, and environmental impacts, and to design it of required elements such as path, bridges, and retaining walls.
Here we have a vicinity map of the location of our bike path. We're starting off at the San Diego State University main campus, and it'll be going towards the Mission Valley campus. Here we have an exhibit of the 3 alternatives that we came up with. We came with 3 different alternatives. Alternative number 1, alternative number 2, and then alternative number 3, which is the bike path that we decided to go with, which is the Skybridge path. When going through the alternatives, path 1 was on College, path 2 was following Montezuma, and path 3 was the Skybridge that we decided to go with. We decided to go on based off of factors such as usability, right-of-way, safety, environmental, and cost. Skybridge was the best because the usability was good since it's not attached to any roadways or any motorized vehicle roads, and also it has a flat grade, so it's more accessible to more people. Safety was good for this path because it's not attached to any roadways, and then right-of-way is also good because it's a new path, so it's not going to go through any residential. Here is a image of our weighted contribution table. So as you can see, it was based off of these factors, and Skybridge was the winner at the end.
So our bike path will begin in the SDSU main campus. It'll start up by the parking lot 12 of San Diego State, come across and be on the south side of the trolley, following the trolley's path. This section of area has very large grading slopes, so some cut and fill will have to be done for our path. Here we've proposed a design for retaining wall that'll house our path. That way we won't have a max grade over 6%. The water will also slope off of the path down towards the trolley, and we have a vegetated swell that will collect that water and distribute it to a different location. The path continues with some retaining walls through this section. We had a little bit of a constraint here at Waring Road where there's an access road. So our design for that, there's also some steep valleys through here as well. So we proposed a bridge system to carry across that. That way we won't impact that utility road. And then here's a cross section of what we have designed. It'll just be similar to the trolley viaduct before, but it'll have a single column with a concrete truss system that'll house the path to keep us at that flat grade.
So as we continue along the path, we will cross Interstate 8 right near where the trolley crosses as well. And then to avoid right-of-way issues and also just all the commercial and residential buildings, we proposed a unique solution using the existing columns of the trolley. So as you can see in the cross section here, we are using steel collars to connect to the columns of the trolley, and we'll use a cantilever truss system to support the elevated bike path. So we'll have an elevated path going over the roads and the buildings, but it will travel along the same alignment as the trolley, but just beneath it. Path will follow the trolley line until we reach Mission Valley campus, and then the elevated path will gradually come down to ground level, and it will tie into the proposed bicycle paths that are going to be built surrounding the whole campus area. We're very excited about this path that we designed. We believe it will help not only the SDSU students and faculty, but the community at large. And we're very glad to be part of engineering environmentally friendly solutions that promote alternative forms of transportation besides automobiles. That hopefully we can move towards a more climate friendly future. Thank you for your time.